Hi guys, Mark from All Marketing. We're all probably aware of by now the WA wave, where we acknowledge people on the roads or are encouraged to when they're considerate to us. And frankly, Western Australia needs more considerate drivers, that's for damn sure. I had an idea though. You're probably familiar with the bird, and I think it's time for WA to lose the bird. So rather than flipping the bird the next time that someone cuts you off or is inconsiderate, I've got a new strategy for you guys. How about a thumbs down? Because a thumbs down makes that person think more consciously about their actions rather than flipping the bird. Flipping the bird is dismissed by anyone of any age as, it's just one of those people. But a thumbs down really forces that driver to think that, hey, maybe that wasn't such a great move after all. So the next time you're frustrated out on the roads and you feel like flipping the bird, don't flip the bird, lose the bird and give it a thumbs down.